Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get and how to use the Forge in 7 Days to Die. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to find 5 magazines of Forge Ahead, which are going to unlock the tier 1 Forge. To make it easier to find the Forge Ahead magazines, you want to go ahead to the Intellect skills and select the Advanced Engineering and make sure you have at least some of this unlocked so that it is going to give you a better loot out for the Forge Ahead magazines, as you can see here. And once you have all of the 5 magazines, it is going to unlock the tier 1 where the Forge is located. You can see. Now for the Forge itself, you'll need 50 cobblestone rocks, which can be made from some clay soil and small stone. Small stones can be found on the ground, or they can be found as these larger stones, which you'll need a stone axe to mine. And the clay soil, just you can go ahead and find dirt, which is going to give you the clay soil. Then make 50 cobblestone rocks, and nextly you will need 1 wood log, which can be crafted from 10 wood, which can be gathered from trees or dead bushes and big bushes, these dead bushes. And nextly we'll need leather, and leather can be found as office chairs inside of buildings. When you scrap them, you'll get some leather, or by killing some animals and then extracting them with a bone knife or leather knife, you'll get some leather. Nextly, duct tape can be gathered from glue and cloth fragments. Cloth fragments can be made from cotton, which you can find in the pine forest biome, like this cotton plant. Just mine it and then craft cloth fragment from it, and find some glue inside of houses, inside cabinets or chemistry stations, broken chemistry stations, or you can craft glue inside of the campfire from some bones and water. And lastly, for the forge, we'll need some short iron pipes, which can be gathered by destroying some cars or finding them inside of houses, inside of loots, like workbenches or some trash piles. And once you have all of these materials gathered, you can go ahead and craft it inside of your inventory. It is going to take 13 seconds to craft. And once you have it crafted, just go ahead and place it down wherever you like. And then to use it, you'll need some kind of fuel, for example wood. Place it down into these 3 slots. And then to use it, you'll first of all need to melt some of the materials to use them, for example clay. So you place clay soil inside of here, and it is going to take some time to put it inside of the forge's inventory by using the fuel. Then once you have the materials you need, you can go ahead and just craft the thing you want. For example, the forged iron, you'll need to smelt 10 iron pieces and 1 clay to get it. And then just click craft and it is going to craft you the thing. So this is pretty much all how to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.